Hey, it's Andre, Defiant Renegade. I've got everything set. I'm only running one pack in there right now, so I don't know how the CG is. I've redid some of the electronics, so fingers crossed we don't have any of those weird spool down issues. Got a bunch of batteries, got working audio, got working GoPro, got working FPV. Let's go flying. Enough talking. All right, I actually don't feel any wind either. Woo! I'm gonna tip over here. All right. A little bit of a breeze, but nothing crazy. Oh, yes. Feels good so far. Try not to fly into yourself though, buddy. Oh, this is such a fun plane. So I have ordered a micro FPV system with a nano-sized camera and all that jazz, but 200 milliwatt. So we'll be able to actually push out the range a little bit. And long term, I do have a 6-channel TBRC receiver. So we'll have all kinds. Oh, this is working really good. I gotta be careful how far I go out, obviously, because it's only a little 25. And this is the other one. I broke the antenna, which is getting repaired as we speak. Meow. Beautiful. Where's Steve? Steve take off already? Yeah, Steve left. Oh, this is working way better. Full rates, full throws. I adjusted the elevator, and this is with the single pack in the nose, so the CG is definitely improved as a result of that elevator fix. Let's see how far up we can go before I start getting some breakup. Give her a little bit more throttle. This has got some decent range on this older camera. Still 25 milliwatts and sub 250 grams, so actually it's an impressive little range and capacity. And I'm obviously running a nice FR Sky radio receiver, so I've got plenty of range. Hey, nice thing with this video transmitter, I'm noticing is the sun isn't a big black ball, so that's pretty cool. That's not bad. Might have to keep using this guy. Some trees. Not enough resolution on the camera to really be silly with that, but you know. There you go, a little tree surfing. Goose in the throttle a little bit. Yeah. Oh, this is so awesome. So awesome. What a fun little plane. And I'm sure you can milk out a 2S500 pack and just keep going. I've got it set for 5 minutes, which is probably more than enough. Well, now that I know I can get away with just flying one pack in there, so the weight is down. Obviously the CG is quite nice. I love the view off the nose. I haven't even painted the front black. I don't think I need to. Awesome, awesome. I wonder if it'll do a loop. I know it will do rolls. Pin it. Haha. Did it? Nice. Oh, that is so good. Such a good little airplane. And I'm just running a little extra 1S pack on it, so that's what's powering the FPV, and that seems to be doing quite well. Woo! Oh, this is a really nice experience. Really like this plane. Again, Defiant Renegade. $50 worth of foam from Sean and some glue and go. I ran 3 servos and some simple 12 amp ESCs, 1306 motors, 5-inch props, 3-bladed, and 2S500. All right. having so much fun I don't land. But timer 1 elapsed. Alright, time to bring her in. Ooh, the wind picked up. Kind of cut my my flight. Oh. Feel that? That was cool. Boop.
Throttle home.
That was awesome. That was so awesome. I needed that flight. That's what the Renegade is all about. Just goofy fun. Throw another battery in it and go for another flight kind of thing. Look at that. Lands beautifully, flies so well. What more do you want out of a little fun FPV sub 250 gram airplane? I'm gonna throw another pack and go flying again.
Throttle release.
Love this plane. Okay, in the wind, definitely want to keep some authority on the throttle, because otherwise you just lose all kinds of push. But there we are, way up there. 25 milliwatt transmitter, doing really good actually. This is a really nice combination. Oh, I'm really happy. I'm gonna see if I can get over towards the trees. Oh, it's starting to see a little bit of dropout. Nothing too crazy. Oh, I'm crabbing in the wind. That is funny. I haven't flown any differential on this thing. Don't really feel the need to.
3 minutes.
Oh, this has actually got a considerable amount of range given the little 25 milliwatt video transmitter. Some trees there. The only problem with the little tiny transmitters is they have little tiny lenses, so it's a little subjective sometimes. Hauling. Oh, I'm just enjoying this so much. I flinched. Oh, I love this plane so much. This is exactly what I wanted in a little FPV ship for a while. Perfect balance, perfect design. Like in the 2S, I love seeing my two props up front. I love how aerobatic it is. Oh, the wind's kicked up a tiny bit. Power back on. Low and fast. Woo! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a plane. Really enjoying this thing. Awesome. Yes! I hope that shot turned out.
30 seconds.
All right. 2 amazing flights with the Gonna hit myself with the Renegade.
20 seconds.
All right. Float her in and wrap this thing up.
10.
Poof!
Throttle hold.
That is simply such an amazing airplane experience. You gotta try one out. I'm Andre, and that is the Defiant Renegade. Just worth it. Bug Sean, go after it. Get one. $50 to some parts, and you'll be giggling and laughing all winter long. Thanks for watching.